After spending $50 million, Singapore Airlines finally reopened and renovated all of its lounges in Singapore Changi Airport Terminal 3 in mid-2022. There are several lounges and sections in the terminal, but fortunately, they are all within the same area. They are very easy to find, you can't miss them, so I trust that you will find your way there without any issue. As you take the elevators from this side, you will pass by the KrisFlyer Gold Lounge. If you have Star Alliance Gold Elite status, then this is where you will go. I have a separate video for this lounge coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. As we keep heading straight, passing by a couple more lounges on the way, here you'll find the Silverkris Lounge. There are several lounges within this Silverkris complex: the first class lounge, the private room, and the business class lounge. Confused yet? Well, don't be. All you need to know is if you are flying on business class on a Star Alliance carrier, you will come with me to this business class lounge, which has two main sections. We are first gonna head to the right wing to check out the bar and the relaxing area, after which we will head to the left wing for all the buffets and shower rooms. Don't worry about the first class lounge and the private room or the KrisFlyer Gold Lounge for now. I'll explain their respective entry policy in those videos next time. We're just gonna focus on this lounge for now. The lounge is open 24 hours a day and is about 32,000 square feet large, almost 40% larger than the one prior to renovation. Now it has so much more natural light coming into the lounge, which the older one had close to none. You'll also notice there are tons of different kinds of seatings, from benches to couches, and from pods to communal tables. You won't run out of options here. This right wing of the lounge tend to have fewer people than on the other side, which is the buffet section. And we are gonna head to the left wing now, as seen from here. You would turn left if you're coming in from the entrance. The left wing is where most food is located. Shower rooms are also located here in the left wing. They look really clean and premium. I don't think many lounges out there around the world would be nicer than this. Near the entrance are the grab-and-go items, and it makes sense here. Imagine placing these items deep inside the lounge and have the passengers running. Not a good look. But anyway, hot food is located further in. Lots of options here. They even have multiple stations with order to make items like noodles and eggs. The food are of really good standard, definitely at a similar level as seen from a typical 4 or 5-star hotel. The left wing of this lounge tends to get busier than in the right wing. I guess people just like to sit close to where the food is, naturally. Alright, so that is the brand new Singapore Airlines Silverkris Business Class Lounge in Terminal 3 of Singapore Changi Airport. That was quite a mouthful. And make sure to stay tuned for the Silverkris First Class Lounge, the private room, and the KrisFlyer Gold Lounge. God, they have so many lounges.